Hey guys, Timmervest here today. We are in the shop working on the boat, and we are going to install new Perko latches on all of our compartment lids, so stay tuned to check out how we did it. Now the first thing that we're going to need to do is take off the old lock. So all we're going to do is open up the compartment lid, get under here where there's a ring right here that twists off. And we're going to get this screwed off of here and the old lock pulled out. Guys, the one problem that we encountered with this project, so that we couldn't just pull the old lock out and put the new lock in, was that these old locks were in a hole that was 2¼ inches wide. The new Perko latches need a hole that's 2½ inches wide. So to fix that, that's where this air tool with the routing bit came in, and we rounded out, as you'll see, the hole, and then we used this tire tool to clean it up a little bit after we did that. So I'll go ahead and show you how we did that and get all of the rest of these locks installed. The last step here is to feather out the carpet with this pick. The carpet was smashed down from the previous lock, so once we work around this here, the installation will be complete. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future content.